Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change your template here in Wix. All right. So for example, this one is your site. Okay. And you wanted to transfer all the elements, features, or even media from this old site to a new template. All right. Now to do so, go ahead and create a new site. Okay. If this one is edited by using a Wix editor, go ahead and use Wix editor. If this one was edited using the Studio or the Wix Studio, go ahead and use Studio template. Okay. I'm just going to be using Wix editor right here. Okay, skip, wait for it to load. And once it loads, click on design, pick a template. All right. Now, for example, this is your new template. Okay, you like this one or even this one. Just click on edit, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, just go ahead and click on add elements. And the left panel, we have my designs. As you can see here, you just need to follow these instructions. Go to the top, go back to your old website, right click. Now go ahead and click on save to my designs. Okay. Click on it. Now rename it as you want from old site. Save. There you go. Go back to your new template. Refresh the page. Add elements. My design. Just drag and drop. Okay. Once you've done everything, once you've copied everything that you wanted from here, you can go ahead and hit on save and use the free Wix design for now, or you can go ahead and connect your own domain. Okay. Save. Go back to the Wix Studio right here. Wait for your sites to open. And once it's opened, all you have to do is just transfer the premium plan from your old site to the new template. Okay. So to do that, go ahead over to the top right, click on your profile. Go to account settings, and under premium subscriptions, just click on the current subscription or plan. Click on all three dots. Now go ahead and click on assign to different site. Okay. Go ahead and select the new template that you created. And that's basically it. You can now go ahead and enjoy your premium plan to the new template. Also, once you have transferred the premium plan, you can now go ahead and go back to the website or the new template. Click on go to dashboard. Now go ahead and add in your domain right here. Okay. And that's how you change your template here in Wix. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.